They picked it up.
Hold on, Dad. Oh, yeah.
It's good. What is that? Are you going to swallow it? She's just holding it in her mouth.
You get found?
She's eating with a spoon, Kate.
Look at Oh, here it comes. Hi, baby.
Kim inhaled it right from the beginning.
She doesn't know. She doesn't know.
She says, well, I like that bowl, though.
This is really new to me.
Yeah, no, she doesn't. That's the first bite.
And there it came.
First bite.
Now I'm happy.
Oh boy. Yum, yum, that's pretty good.
She's happy about drooling it out. I think that's her favorite part.
She's like, goodbye.
Baby, you gotta eat, baby. Ready?
65.
This is the no-go.
Oh, something else?
Go, no, go, she says.
Help you chew it a little bit. There you go. You still gonna spit it out for us? She's thinking about it.
There it goes.
Oh.
Oh, no. That's 3 free throws.
I don't know about this backside.
Oh.
Yeah, but...
Maybe if you put it in a bottle and poke a bigger hole in it. Oh, she's like, I want the napkin.
What if?
We follow it with a little
Yeah,
formula.
that's usually what it is, but it's the finals.
Okay, ready?
Oh, in the NFL. Yeah, oh, yeah.
Ball's gone.
And you hit him.
Unless you do something like spear.
Right, yeah, but he's good as
She's
long
like,
as
let
it's
me
coming
spit it out
from-
first.
Oh, yeah.
Mmm.
There we go.
No, we're tricking her by giving her the bottle afterwards.
Happy? Happy?
Oh,
Happy?
if you do,
Wait, look at me.
like,
Happy?
put a bigger hole in your nipple.
Yeah, you can add it.
Hey.
I heard a lot of people do that.
Can you say happy?
And then just make the formula hard
She
to
doesn't. She's just not having it. She's like, I don't like.
All right, Paisley.